Are you trying to locate the fuse box in your 2019 Buick Enclave? Wondering where each fuse is placed or how to read the fuse box diagram correctly? In this guide, we'll walk you through the exact location of the fuse box and provide an easy-to-understand diagram to help you identify the fuses for various systems. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box protects and distributes power to critical systems like the engine control unit, cooling fans, and ABS. It ensures reliable operation and guards against electrical overloads. Instrument panel fuse box. The instrument panel fuse box powers interior features such as the infotainment system, dashboard controls, lighting, and power outlets. It ensures safe and efficient operation of cabin electronics and driver assist functions. Rear compartment fuse box. The rear compartment fuse box supplies power to systems like rear lighting, power liftgate, rear climate control, and accessory outlets. It ensures safe distribution and protection for rear area electrical components. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools.
If this guide on fuses and fuse box diagram is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.